Hi everyone, this is Dr. Janet Starhall, and this is a Healthy Alternatives short clip. I'm coming to you today to talk about weight loss and how you can get the weight off and keep it off in a very, very natural way. I think that today we are what we eat, and I think it's been that way for 10,000 years. But the thing that we have forgotten is that our bodies have not changed in 10,000 years, but our food has. Today, our food is very artificial. It is man-made. We even have some laboratory meats out there, which are definitely not natural. We have food chemicals that take up the majority of the preservatives, the food colorings, the artificial sweeteners, fake fats, rancid fats, corn that's GMO, high fructose corn syrup. So there are so many chemicals in our food today that when we eat, our bodies are very confused. They go in there, they try to digest and assimilate the vitamins and the nutrients in the food substances that we ingest, and when they break them apart, and they take the vitamins and the nutrients and all of these chemical preservatives and they try to assimilate these throughout the body as a natural nutrient, they soon discover that they have absolutely no use whatsoever, that these are chemicals, that they don't have nutrition within the chemicals. And so our body goes, okay, this is not sugar, this isn't sucrose. So they either try to excrete these as toxins, or if you are eating more than your body can excrete, they then begin to accumulate within your system because your body will push them aside so they no longer circulate throughout the body, store them typically in fat cells, but they can also store in the brain and in your body organs. They can store under the skin trying to excrete. Your body will push these chemicals, useless, non-nutritious chemicals, out of the way, and then sit there and wait until you consume something that is real nutrition. So what we're looking at here, in my opinion, is to eat like a caveman, eat like we did 10,000 years ago. So I highly recommend the Paleo diet eating program and a diet eating program called AIP. And this is for inflammation. Many people today are bloated. They are experiencing inflammation because their body has more chemicals inside of it than they have nutrients. So the body is storing and packing up layer after layer after layer of these non-nutritious chemicals, putting them out of the way. And depending upon where they've been stored, if it's in a body organ such as the liver, the kidney, the bladder, the intestines, it can cause inflammation. So the Paleo diet and the AIP diet are two eating programs that I think are very well worth your while to go out and research. What we need to remember is that our bodies haven't changed, and our bodies are looking at food the way it did before we had preservatives, GMOs, chemicals, and artificial sweeteners and laboratory meats. Now, today, that's what we're feeding our body. So our body is actually malnourished if you are eating mostly chemical, preservative food, manufactured foods. So this was a short clip today to guide you towards the Paleo diet and the AIP diet, and to also remind you that detoxing is a very, very good way to begin losing weight, because it offers your body the opportunity to help assist it vacuum out and sweep out all of these toxic food chemicals that it has shoved aside and stored to get out of the way. And this way, if you detox, you can lose weight when you detox, because you will help your body remove these layers upon layers of toxic chemicals. And it will also help with inflammation. You can go to janethall.com and download for free my 10 Steps to Detoxification ebook. I go through all of this step by step. It's a textbook on how to begin detoxing out these foreign chemicals, these chemicals that your body will not look at as a nutritious source of essential vitamins and nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. So have a wonderful day. Check into these programs, and wishing you well. Stay safe and healthy.